So many people ask me about how to sharpen charcoal pencil. So this is the video. So we will require a cutter or blade. If you are under 12 or 13 years age, just tell your parents because they have just sharpened blades so they can cut your hands or anything. So focus on those things. Now keep the distance of charcoal pencils, as I say or as I tell you in this particular video. Focus where I cut and how I cut. These are the basic things if you want to cut a charcoal pencils effectively, so that it can be a sharpened or straight lining things. So focus that I am just sharpening little bit on the end part of the pencil where I want to sharpen my pencil. Just don't sharp at starting of the pencil, sharpen at little bit distance as I show you in this video. Sharpen at some angle, don't directly go for 180 or straight, it will cut out your pencils. If the angle is little bit more, it will just blend or just cut out your pencils, and you don't want that, right? So if you can focus on the distance of pencil, how I cut it, just cut the straight things with your blade or cutter, anything that you have. Cut down those for every part first of all, then at the middle of the pencil just cut out little bit. If you can focus that I'm not sharpening every part, I'm just making a little bit slope type thing, and if the slope is downwards, your pencil will hold your whole thing and it will not break easily. But if the slope is straight, your charcoal pencil will break continuously. Or if there is a graphite pencil, there is a possibility that both pencils will break very easily. So if you can focus that I'm just sharpening middle part and starting part of the pencil where I want to sharpen, not the end part. At the of the starting of the video I told you that don't sharpen every part, but if you can focus that middle part and starting part of the pencil are just completely cutted or sharpened. Now focus that not every part is useful. We want a straight and pinpoint of charcoal pencil always, right? If you can focus where you want to sharpen, if you want a straight and a pointed type of pencil in charcoal, then you can sharpen every part as a slope thing. As you can see that they always use a rubber, or you can use anything as a base for sharpening your pencil. I have used a finger. You can use anything. If you are under 15 or 13 year age, you can use rubber or any supportive thing so that you can sharpen your pencil at a slope thing. If you can focus the sharpener, or if after sharpening your graphite or charcoal pencil with the sharpeners that you have a straight point type of things, right? So you should use a charcoal pencil and make a straight lines at an angle, not 180 or straight 90-degree angle. Use as you can focus that there is a little bit length of pencil and that is not useful, but the starting point of pencil you should sharp that part. Sharpen the starting part of charcoal pencil at a very low pressure. Don't apply more pressure, because if you will apply little bit more pressure, your pencil will break. And after sharpening the part, if you can focus that starting of the pencil is looking too small, but middle part is looking little bit bigger, and the end part is bigger, right? So at the starting, now use a sandpaper to sharpen your every part of the pencil evenly, and just use the same technique that I'm using to sharpen your charcoal or graphite, any pencil that you are using, and make a straight pinpoint. Don't sharpen every part, but sharpen starting part of the pencil. Just repeat the same technique every time you want to sharpen your charcoal pencil or graphite pencil. Anything that you have, just sharpen like I am sharpening at the starting point so that you have a straight pinpoint. Now as you can focus that starting of the pencil is looking little bit pointed type, and you want this, right? And after sharpening every part of the charcoal pencil, or your end goal should always be a pinpoint. Don't use a straight or every part. Don't sharpen every part of the charcoal pencil, because your charcoal pencil will break easily if you will sharpen every part. the base or the middle part of the charcoal pencil is a little bit thick if you can focus. Now the remaining part of the charcoal you can use on every part of the pages as a base layer. You can also use it on your drawing paper, just like I'm making. You can use a makeup brush or paint brush, and the same thing you can use those powder type of charcoal pencil into your sketches also. So finally the instruments used are a makeup brush, blade or cutter, sandpaper, and use those remaining powder into your final sketches. Your sketches will look perfectly fine, and the final product of a pencil after sharpening, it look like this: middle, end, starting and the end. So straight point. Now see you guys in the next video.
So that was all for this tutorial. If you have learned something from this video, subscribe and drop a like, and comment down your question and queries regarding this tutorial. Meanwhile, take care of your loved ones too. Have an artistic day. Tattoos.